Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's do a little review on linear systems. So this is problem 6 from today's worksheet. And basically, the one thing you have to understand is sometimes we have to multiply both equations to make one of the variables get eliminated. So in this case, I'm going to times this by 3. Okay, so I'm going to end up with 12x plus 21y equal to 87. 87. And I'm going to times the second equation by -4. And right here is y, because I'm going to get a negative 12x. Okay, let me just finish it up here. Plus 32y. And that right there is 72. So why did I times by 3 and -4? Look down right here, guys. I wanted, in this case, for the 4 and 3 to become 12s. And one of them to be a negative 12x. Does everybody agree 12 minus 12 is 0? In other words, the x variable is eliminated. And let's finish it up. I now have 53y equal to 159. And when I divide by 53, I know y equals 3. I'm not done, right? I'm going to take that y equals 3 and plug it in there. Now, I could have plugged it in any one of these equations, but I'm just picking the first one out of convenience. So I have 4x plus 7y, which we now know is 3, equal to 29. So 4x plus 21 equals 29. And after I minus 21 from both sides, 4x equals 8. So x is 2. And so my solution is simply 2 for x, 3 for y. So pause the video if you need to. Alright. But anyways, hopefully you paused the video. And if you need to later, guys, watch this video again. Rewind it. Alright. But let's do one more problem. I don't think we have time actually for 2 more, as I told you in class, just because I don't want my video to go too long. Alright, so this is problem 9 from our worksheet. And the thing I want you to understand is we're going to read this problem together, and then we're just going to make 2 equations, right? So here we go. Shayna and Mary are selling flower bulbs for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy packages of tulip bulbs and these crocus bulbs. And Shayna bought 12 tulips, didn't she? She bought 12 tulips there. And so I'm going to write that down as just 12T. T for the price of tulips. It also says she bought 3 of the crocus bulbs. So I'm going to do plus 3C for the price of the crocus bulbs. And that supposedly equals 138.3. Okay, let's keep reading. Notice Mary did 7 packages of tulips. I'm going to write 7T for that. And 9 of the crocus. So I'm going to write 9C for that. And that's going to equal 197.4. We don't need those zeros at the end, okay? Now, just getting straight to the point, what I'm going to do is simply times this one by -3. Okay, so here I go. 36T minus 9C. So 36T minus 9C equals negative 414.9. Okay, that's a 414 there, guys. And so why did we times by -3? And the answer is right here, right? Because now I made that 3C up there become a negative 9C. And isn't 9 minus 9 again 0 crocus bulbs? And so I can finish this up now. Ooh, let's be careful. I was careless. That's a negative 36 there, right? And so I get negative 29t. See, guys, even I can be careless with negatives. So you got to watch those negatives. And so negative 29t equals negative 217.5. And now I'm just going to divide by negative 29, right? So I now know that the price of the tulips T is just simply $7.50. Now, $7.50. So now all I need to do is plug that back in for T right there, right? So I'm going to do 12 times the 7.5. I'm going to add 3C to that. And I know somehow that's going to be 138.3. Sorry, I'm running out of room here, guys. I think I'll go to green now. And so let me just do the math here real quick. So now 12 times 7.5 is 15. Correct? Let me stand corrected here. So 12 times 7.5, sorry I misspoke, is 90. And 90 plus 3C equals that 138.3. So I'm going to end up minusing these two, right? So I better change screens here real quick, guys, because I am running out of room. So hopefully you agree I had 90 plus 3C equal to 138.3. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and minus 90 both sides. It's okay if you use your calculator, guys. So once I minus 90, I end up with $48.30 or 48.3. And now I'm just simply going to divide by 3. And I know the cost of the crocus is $16.10. Okay, so guys, this is definitely one video you're going to want to rewind, watch again. But please, before you walk into class tomorrow, you will regret it if you don't. Review and make sure you understand the two problems I just did. I can't emphasize that enough. Okay, but just finishing up this problem, what do we know? Again, is the tulips were $7.50, right? And we know the crocus were $16.10. Until next time, guys, bye.